In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Game Pass here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But once you're in Slime RNG, go ahead and look on the right hand sidebar and select shop just like so. And scroll down till you see the game passes section. This is just called the passes section. And there's actually a lot of them on here. For example, you have double roll, fast roll, lucky rolls, VIP, auto collect, +1 equipped, and of course more loot as well. Essentially, go in and find whatever option works best for you. All of these passes will help you progress faster by improving your rolling speed and rewards. There's stuff like auto collect on here as well, which is very, very helpful because it picks up pretty much all your slime upgrades for you, which is pretty convenient. And some passes will also give you extra bonuses as well. I like the VIP one the most just because it gives you bonus coins and luck, but you also get that visual effect on you. That's what a lot of people end up doing if they're going to be getting a game pass here in Slime RNG. Just choose whatever one fits your playstyle best and your budget best, since they are all going to cost some Robux as well. Choose it and you are good to go. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.